On Halloween night, the great pumpkin rises out of his pumpkin patch and flies through the air with his bag of toys for all the children.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you extremely easy Halloween costumes for my people out there who kind of forgot about Halloween. Am I one of those people? Definitely. Basically, I used literally everything that is in these Halloween costumes I got from my closet. So they're super easy and you can get them too, like easily. Even if you don't have this type of thing in your closet, you can improvise. You can. I know you can. Ew. Ew. Alright, it's a fun, funky video. Enjoy. I hope everyone's day is going great. If you're new, subscribe, like the video if you like it. And yeah, let's just get to the costumes. Okay, starting off, a construction worker. Now, this one is super simple. All you need is some like cargo chunky pants. Mine are from Brandy Melville. I use this like orange belt that I thrifted. I kind of forgot how to put it on. But yeah, and then a black t-shirt. I mean, you could wear like a gray t-shirt or whatever you think a construction worker would wear. But this one's so simple. I carried around a hammer. My shirt, did I say it's from Forever 21? I don't know, it is. And my shoes I got at TJ Maxx. So it's very simple, yet super cute and stylish. Okay, so horse girl. This one came to me and I was like, yes, I have to. Now the horse girl, she's kind of awkward. She's very odd. So why not put together an outfit like that? So my dress is from Brandy Melville and my long sleeve is from Target. I have no idea where my shoes are from. I just kind of found them. But it's this weird outfit that like doesn't look good, but that's kind of the point. Put some glasses in, put some clips in, put in some pigtails, and you're kind of good to go. This one's super funky and weird and I love it. Steve Jobs. Now this one I didn't think would turn out very well, but it's kind of like my favorite one. He always wore a black turtleneck. Mine is just my mom's. You could probably get one like at Goodwill. And then I wore mom jeans that I thrifted, and then my black Vans. This one's so perfect because it's like no one's like what are you, like what? And then you say I'm Steve Jobs and it's like oh, that's so smart. So yeah. Okay, this one I did last year, a skater girl slash boy, but I feel like this one is so simple. If you want to like spice it up, you could be like a poser and like not really know how to skate, so like kind of me. I do have a skateboard because I skate, but I'm not like a pro or anything, but just wear some loose clothes that you can move in. So like I have this long sleeve from Brandy Melville, and then my pants are from Princess Polly, and then I'm just wearing Vans and put my hair up in like a messy bun. I wore AirPods this whole entire video because I wanted to listen to music, so do not get mad at me, but you can wear AirPods so you're like to yourself. I don't know. This one's just so simple and easy. Okay, so modern day Barbie. This one is so, I love this one so much. You could be regular Barbie, but I just felt like this outfit was more modern than, you know, old-fashioned Barbie. Whatever. My clips are from Brandy Melville. I just picked anything I had that was like pink and white. So my skirt is my mom's from the 90s. My shirt is from Brandy Melville. My shoes I thrifted. The purse is my mom's. You can kind of see a pattern here, but just like act like a little princess, but also have a lot of confidence because I feel like that's what Barbie's is about. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg, the guy who created Facebook. Now, this one is just like Steve Jobs. Super easy, super, like, I don't even know how to describe it. My shirt is my mom's, again. My pants are the same ones that I thrifted, and then my shoes are just Vans again. These ones, I think, are, you could do anybody. But Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg had their, like, signature look, which was, like, what I'm showing you here. So I feel like it's just, you could pick anybody like that. But I really, really like these because they're so simple, yet really innovative. You know what I'm saying. Okay, we are at the end of the video. You made it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and become part of the fam. Love this video was super fun. I hope you got some ideas. Maybe you took one, maybe you got an idea from one of these. I don't know. Hopefully I helped a little bit. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and don't forget, never stop pressing your buzz. I'll see you guys next week.